An accomplice is usually defined as someone who aids and abets a person who commits a crime. But what level of assistance exposes an accomplice to criminal prosecution? The Alabama Supreme Court considered that question over a century ago in State v. Talley. Robert Ross seduced and had been criminally intimate with Annie Skelton. Annie had several brothers, and her sister was married to Circuit Judge John Talley. It was common knowledge throughout the town of Scottsboro that the Skelton brothers were hunting Ross. On February 4, 1894, Ross fled in a horse-drawn carriage for Stevenson, Alabama, about 18 miles distant. Ross didn't know that the Skelton brothers knew he'd fled and where he was headed, and they were riding after him. Judge Talley watched the Skelton brothers ride out, then walked to the Scottsboro telegraph office. A physician, Dr. Rorex, saw Talley there and suggested sending a doctor on the road to Stevenson in case someone got hurt. When Talley responded that his kinsmen could take care of themselves, Dr. Rorex then suggested sending a telegram to Stevenson advising that Ross and the Skelton brothers be arrested. Talley didn't respond. Later that morning, Talley watched as Ed Ross, Robert Ross's relative, came to the telegraph office and ordered a telegram be sent to Robert Ross in Stevenson, warning him that 4 armed Skeltons were after him. Talley briefly considered preventing the telegraph operator from sending the message. Instead, immediately after Ed Ross's message was sent along, Talley ordered a telegram sent to William Huddleston, Stevenson's telegraph operator and mayor, warning him, quote, "Do not let the party warned get away. Say nothing," unquote. Huddleston saw Robert Ross's carriage arrive in Stevenson, but didn't immediately deliver Ed Ross's message. A few moments later, the Skelton brothers began shooting at Ross. After a brief chase, the Skeltons shot and killed him. A grand jury investigated Ross's murder and Judge Talley's participation in it. The state attorney general then commenced a judicial impeachment proceeding against Judge Talley before the Alabama Supreme Court, alleging that Judge Talley neglected his duty as a judge and that he was an accomplice to Ross's murder. The Supreme Court dismissed the neglect of duty charge and considered the accusation that Talley was an accomplice.